Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn what is quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is given by this formula. So where this formula will be applied? Let's say you have an equation like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And if you have been asked to solve this equation, that you can actually use this formula to find the solution. As you can see, there are two answers. One is for plus and one is for minus. So the first solution would be minus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. The second solution is minus b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. If you remember, in the first video we learned about how to solve this equation. So what we did is we first factorized this one into x minus 4 x plus 2. Then we said x minus 4 equal to 0, therefore x should be 4. And we said x plus 2 must be 0. Then we said x equal minus 2. So these are the two solutions. We could able to factorize this way because it's easy to find the factor pairs for minus 8, and we could able to relate to this minus 2. However, sometimes you may not able to find a factor pair that easily. Whenever you struggle to find the factors, you can use this formula. But let's apply this formula to the same question and see whether we are getting the same answer as it is. So if you look at this formula, the a is 1, coefficient of x squared is 1, coefficient of x is minus 2, so b equal minus 2, and c equal minus 8. If you look at the solution x1 and x2, the square root of b squared minus 4ac is common in both places. So maybe you can calculate these things first. So let's calculate the b squared minus 4ac first. What is square root of b squared minus 4ac? So b squared is going to be minus 2 squared minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 8. This is equal 4 minus 4 times minus 8 is 32, 36. This is equal to 6. Okay. So let's see what is x1. x1 is minus b plus this thingy. So minus b is minus into minus 2 plus 6 divided by 2a. 2a is 2 times 1. So minus 2 plus 6 is 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we got the answer 4, and that's the answer we got from the direct factorization. And let's see, we are getting the same answer for x2. So x2 is minus b, so minus into minus 2. This time we are going to use minus here. So minus 6, so the 6 come from this, right? This is equal to this one, divided by 2a, 2 times 1. If you look at this, minus 2 in minus into minus 2 minus 6 is minus 4 divided by 2, which is minus 2. And we got the answer, the same answer we got here as well. So this is the way you can verify this formula is correct. So let's have a look at another example. So solve this equation and leaving your answer in p plus q square root of r format, where p, q, r are whole numbers. As you can see from the question, you can clearly understand this is not going to be an easy factorization. So we cannot use the factor pair to find the factors. So how can we solve this one? So let me rewrite the question. 2x squared equal 4x plus 3. So if you rearrange this equation, 2x squared minus 4x minus 3 equals 0. In this formula, if you remember our formula, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, you know that a equal 2, b equal minus 4, and c equal minus 3. what is our formula? So the first one is minus b plus or minus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Second one is x2 is minus b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by. So this is the quadratic formula. So what we need to do first is we need to calculate this square root of things first, right? So let me do that calculation. What is square root of b squared minus 4ac? Right, so b is minus 4, square root of minus 4 squared minus 4, a is 2, c is minus 3, and this is going to be minus 4 square is 16, square root of 40, square root of 40, you can simplify this as 4 times square root of 10, this is going to become 2 square root of 10. Right, we cannot simplify this further. Now what we can do, we can put this number in both x and y. So let's find the x1. Minus b, the first solution is minus b, means minus into minus 4 plus 2 square root of 10 divided by 2, a is 2, so 2. So minus 4 into minus become 4 plus 2 square root of 10 divided by 2 times 2 is 4. This is going to be 1 plus half square root of 10. And if you repeat the same thing for second one, what you get is nothing but 1 minus half of square root of 10. Right, this is the answer to the question. So there's a slight, we need to change this question slightly because it's whole numbers or fraction. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, what we will do is we will prove this quadratic formula. So watch out for that video.